Investing is often perceived as something that's extremely hard to learn and get into, but I'm here today to show you just how easy it is to get started on the stock market and making money. How's it going, guys? Ryan Provan here today, and I want to share with you the hottest tips, tricks and strategies to become a successful investor in the stock market. I'm not here to promote any courses or any exclusive mentorship programs that you have to spend a ton of money on, but instead I want to provide you with the tools that you need to get started in the stock market, get it trading, get investing for absolutely free. Not only do I teach proven trading and investing strategies, I also show you how you can become more financially independent throughout your life. To access all this amazing content for absolutely free, all you have to do is click the link through this video and subscribe to my channel and start watching these videos right now. I hope to see you guys all there collaborating, sharing information, but more importantly seeing positive results. And with that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. See you next time.